As a beginner makeup artist in 2026, you're still struggling with getting a perfect brow drawn, then you want to watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you the easiest way to get your brow done on yourself or on your client. You need two things when outlining your brow, which is a pencil and a spoolie. Use the spoolie to sweep the hair upward so that you're going to see every empty space to fill in. Then going in with a very sharp pencil, outline your brow. You want to start by outlining the down part and then the upper part. After outlining, take your time and shade it very well. Make sure that the lines are very obvious. The next thing you want to do after that is to go ahead and stroke your brow in an upwards direction at the inner corner of the brow. This way it gives off a natural look while giving your brow the natural feel of the hair. You know the way the human hair is standing one on its own. So that is what we were hoping to achieve there. When going into the outer corner of the brow, you want to shade this very well so that there is no demarcation between the brows and the pencil work. You can see what I am doing in the video, so take your time and shade this very well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you so much. After doing that, use your spoolie to outline the pencil work and then the brow. Next, you go ahead and replicate the same process on the other brow. Always take your time to fill in the brow very well. Remember that you are a beginner makeup artist and Rome was not built in one day. For all of us who now do perfect makeup and flawless makeup that seem easy, we all start from somewhere. So do not be discouraged when you are lining your brow and it's not coming out the way it's supposed to. Take your time and keep practicing. When doing your brow, you don't want to be in a hurry. Don't rush to nowhere. Start up your makeup on time so you can get a perfect job. After doing that, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and clean the brow bone. Because your brow is perfectly done, this should not be a lot for you. So just go ahead and clean the brow bone. And after doing that, you want to use a blending brush to blend between the concealer and then the eyeshadow. You know that we've already done the eyeshadow first, so you want to clean between the eyeshadow and the concealer. And the concealer that you should use on the brow should be the same concealer you use in highlighting the under eye region. But if it is too bright, go ahead and get a concealer that is slightly close to her skin tone so that this way the brow bone is not looking too white. After doing that, always remember to blend between the concealer and the transition color. I hope this video helps you to achieve a beautiful brow. This is the final look. Do well to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.